Hi guys, welcome back to Baking in Style. So today we're going to be making a vanilla spring themed cake. So first what you will need will be 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of buttermilk, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, half teaspoon of almond extract, 3/4 teaspoons of baking soda, 2 eggs, and 1 stick of unsalted butter. So I'm just going to move these things aside. Okay, so first what you're going to do is you're going to take your flour, baking powder, and baking soda and just whisk it into a bowl. Now, with an electric mixer, you're going to, with the beater, you're going to take your butter and your sugar and just cream it together until light and fluffy for 3 minutes. And now you're going to add in your vanilla extract and almond extract. And now you're going to add in your eggs one at a time. And now you're going to alternate adding your buttermilk and your flour mixture, starting and ending with flour. Now we're going to take our 3 6-inch pans, and before we do that, we're going to preheat our oven to 325 degrees. Okay, and just incorporate or put 3 divided into 3, the batter into 3 separate. Let's see. And now I just have 3 different types of food coloring. I have yellow, orange, and pink. And I'm going to add 2 drops to each. we're just going to put them all in the oven for 30 to 35 minutes. Okay, and the buttercream that I'm using is the Wilton buttercream. You can go ahead and check that other video out for the buttercream. I'll see you guys in 30 minutes. Bye. Okay, so these are all done, and I'm just going to test them with a toothpick. Ooh, yes. These look amazing. See? Good and good. All of them are good. Okay. So now I'm just going to take these out. And now you're going to let them cool in the pans for 15 minutes. So it has been 15 minutes, and now I'm just going to transfer the cakes onto a cooling rack. So first. Now we're just going to let these cool completely. Okay, so the cakes have had time to cool, and I have filled my piping bags with all of the buttercream. Again, you can go check that video out. I'll put the link in the description down below. And so I dyed some of my buttercream pink with the 21 tip, and then some green with the number 6 tip, and orange with 125 tip. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to level off my cakes. So if you guys don't know how to do that, I'll be showing you. So for the first one, I'm going to start off with my, what looks like red now, but so this is just the Wilton leveler. I have it on the 9, so it just takes off the top and levels it off really nice. So what you're going to do is you're going to hold it down and also hold the cake down. So I don't know if you can see, but you're just going to hold the cake down like this so that it doesn't move while you're leveling. So then you're just going to move the leveler back and forth, moving side to side, and just getting the top off. Try not to stop because it can like crack the cake, the bottom part, the part that we're keeping. Okay, now that it's all leveled, and I'm just going to set the crumbs aside on a plate. I'll just take a plate. Set them aside. You can save these to make, you can just crumble them up and like make cool like cake pops, or you can freeze them, or you could have a little snack. So now I clean off my workspace. I have my turntable and just a cake board, and I'm going to start off by stacking the cakes. So to keep the cake on the cake board, I'm just going to make a circle of buttercream in the middle. And I'm going to start with my yellow. And then just make circles. And now you are going to take your green and make the stem. So how you're going to do it is you're going to go from the bottom, press, and come up the top. And then just let go. So for roses with the 21 tip, you're going to start in the inside and come around from the outside. Like that. And then for the leaves, you need some green M&Ms, and you're going to stick them in like that. And right there. And you can also use like some of the buttercream to help it stick too. There's not enough in that area. Then just use that. And ooh, yikes. I have to clean this up really quick. And then this is the cake that we have made, and it looks very nice. So I will see you guys next time. Bye!